The other thing to be said about working out in Norway is the massive extremes of temperature that we get. And so one summer we were working there in 26 degrees, one winter we were working there in minus 26 degrees. It has an enormous impact on the range of electric vehicles and also the charging rate.
So when we first approached Posten, they had a variety of different hardware and software working on their sites. This is hardware that is both old and new, and us as Zero Carbon, we have a promise of being hardware agnostic. So we will try and work with whatever is on site if it's compatible with the OCPP. Our electrical engineers, software engineers work extremely hard to make sure that all of these things can be on the same system and that you can see a single view of everything that's working on your site. So we started at the LSO site where they had a variety of different vehicles and chargers, and we made them all work together under our platform so that all these things could kind of talk to each other and we could get data from them.
They are quite far ahead on their electrification journey of vehicles, and all of the postal vehicles at the logistics centre Oslo are now electric. All of the diesel has gone. And at Østland terminal, they're slowly replacing their diesel trucks and lorries with electric as well. However, with increased electrification, that means that there is more challenge managing that electrical load and electrical demand. And so they are at the point at LSO, or we're at the point at LSO, where there wasn't enough electric supply to meet the needs of all the vehicles if they were all charging at the same time, which is where we came in to help them solve the problem. What would happen in some situations was that vehicles would be out on the road in winter and would be running out of charge while they were actually doing their round. And that were not expected by the driver, because previously, the previous week, it had actually managed to achieve the round, and now the temperature was down to minus 20 or below, then it couldn't complete that round. And what this required was more intelligent use of optimizing by state of charge and understanding the state of charge of the vehicles, both when they're charging and also when they're out on the road. So the Zero Carbon Charge system allows the vehicle location and state of charge to be displayed so that a depot manager can look, and when it's down low, they go red on the screen. So we can see the red vehicles might be in trouble and that they could be recalled back for a top-up charge.
We already know all of the challenges, and we're working on the solutions that people have not even thought about. So now when other customers are now ready to join the revolution, that's how we see it, we'll be ready to meet them with open arms.
I think it's been a fantastic collaboration. We've also built up a very good trust relationship, I think, with Posten, where they will now come and ask us for advice on lots of different things in terms of how they should set up their infrastructure.